Hi guys, welcome to the Mylakbay channel. Today I'm going to try two products that I've never had before. Both of them are from Asia. One is world famous, the other one is regionally famous, I would say, but it's not completely famous because, well, these products are products that I would describe as products you either love or you hate. For example, in Europe and my country particularly, we have Marmite. That's also a fermented product. The first product that I'm going to talk about is kimchi. This is from South Korea. This is world famous. This is fermented cabbage with radish. And this particular one, this has got the red chilies. Let's smell it, shall we? As always. Smells fresh. Smells nice. Smells very nice. So let's try that first. I've got my rice, of course, because, well, where would we be without rice? Ooh, lots of sauce, lots of red sauce. Fermented cabbage. Let's try a little bit. And also, I have my green tea. Very delicious, very healthy. Very refreshing. I really like this. Let's try the kimchi, shall we? Oh, I like that. First thing, very refreshing. Really, very, very refreshing. Not as spicy as I thought it would be. A little bit peppery, which is kind of expected in Korean food. Oh, I really like it. I wasn't sure if I was going to eat the whole pot. I think I might. Oh yeah, you can see the cabbage with the radish. Let's get some more. It's delicious. Very strong flavour. Yeah, I'm certainly in the if I was in the debate between love and hate of the kimchi, I love it. Okay, so let's try the next one. Okay guys, my second product that I would like to try. This is from Japan. This is called natto. This is fermented in the same way that Korean kimchi is fermented. However, this one is soya bean. It's very, very healthy. It's also, again, very much a food that people love. And some people, well, I don't want to say hate, but some, yeah, they do. Let's find out if I'm in, which camp am I in? Okay, I've got this one. This is natto, and this is from Japan. As you can see, it's a very different texture to the kimchi. The kimchi was very, I would say, fresh, and it cuts right through the flavour. This one smells unique. Yeah, it's a weird smell. You can certainly smell the soya, and it's got some, as you can see, it's like slimy. But let's mix it to see if that does anything to it. Oh yeah. As you can see, it's getting very slimy. The consistency is coming out. The sliminess. Look at that. Let's try it on its own. Still smells. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Yeah. That was not pleasant to me. Maybe it's an acquired taste. I think it must be an acquired taste, a little bit like Marmite, because when people try Marmite at the beginning, they hate it. A couple of times when you try Marmite with bread or cheese or whatever you mix it with, it can taste delicious. This one on its own, it's an unusual smell. I've never smelled anything like this before. It's kind of strange to me. It's like almost a coffee smell, but terrible quality coffee. That's how I would describe it. The sliminess, I think, is the worst thing about it. I don't get past that. The sliminess is not something I can get past. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try the natto with the kimchi, because the kimchi is a very fresh, peppery product, and I think it will cut through the sliminess of the natto, and well, we'll see. We'll see how it tastes. Wow. I really like the kimchi. Yeah, it's helped. Yeah, this is much better. This is delicious, actually. Yeah, I recommend this. This is a completely different dish now. You can still taste the beans, the soybeans, and it's still got that almost like a baked bean quality to it. The texture of the soybean, I would describe this as like a small baked bean. The sliminess, as you can see, when I mix it with the kimchi, is less. Okay. Still got a little bit of sliminess to it, but it's certainly more delicious like this. Okay, guys. So let me know in the comments what's your favourite Korean dish, and if there's another Japanese food that you think I should try, then please let me know in the comments. And until the next video, remember, no limits, no boundaries. Alright guys, take care. Ingat ka.